In this video, we are going to be looking at prime numbers. Now, the first question you want to ask is, what are prime numbers? Now, a prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1 without leaving a remainder. So a prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1 without leaving a remainder. Does that make sense? Now, this is the definition of what a prime number is. A number that can be divided by itself and 1 without leaving a remainder. Now, I want us to go through number 1 to 20 and pick out the prime numbers. Now, by doing that, I can explain what a prime number is better. So let's have number 1 to 20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now remember, I want to pick out the prime numbers between 1 and 20. If a number is a prime number, I will tick it. If it's not a prime number, I'll put X. Is that okay? Now let's do this. Now, is 1 a prime number? No, 1 is not a prime number because 1 can only be divided by itself. And remember, we're told that a prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1. So in that sense, 1 is not a prime number. Now the next question, is 2 a prime number? Now another way to look at this is, can anything times another thing give you 2 aside from 1 times 2? No, only 1 times 2 can give you 2. So it means 2 is a prime number. Does that make sense? Let's take 3. Can anything times anything give you 3 aside from 1 times 3? No, only 1 times 3 can give you 3. So 3 is a prime number. Let's go to 4. Can anything times anything give you 4 aside from 1 times 4? Yes, 2 times 2 will give you 4. So it means 4 is not a prime number. Do you get the drift? So when you have something times another thing that will give you that number aside from 1 times that number is not a prime number. Let's take 5. Can anything times anything give you 5 aside from 1 times 5? No, only 1 times 5 can give you 5. So this is a prime number. 6. Can anything times anything give you 6 aside from 1 times 6? Yes, 2 times 3 will give you 6. So this is not a prime number. 7. Can anything times anything give you 7 aside from 1 times 7? No, only 1 times 7 will give you 7. So this is a prime number. 8. Can anything times anything give you 8 aside from 1 times 8? Yes, 2 times 4 will give you 8. So this is not a prime number. 9. Can anything times anything give you 9 aside from 1 times 9? Yes, 3 times 3 will give you 9. So this is not a prime number. 10. Can anything times anything give you 10 aside from 1 times 10? Yes, 2 times 5 will give you 10. So this is not a prime number. Do you understand? Let's take the next row. 11. Can anything times anything give you 11 aside from 1 times 11? No. So this is a prime number. 12. Can anything times anything give you 12 aside from 1 times 12? Yes, 2 times 6 will give you 12. 3 times 4 will also give you 12. So this is not a prime number. 13. Can anything times anything give you 13 aside from 1 times 13? No. Only 1 times 13 will give you 13. So this is a prime number. 14. Can anything times anything give you 14 aside from 1 times 14? Yes. 2 times 7 will give you 14. So this is not a prime number. 15. Can anything times anything give you 15 aside from 1 times 15? Yes. 3 times 5 will give you 15. So this is not a prime number. 16. Can anything times anything give you 16 aside from 1 times 16? Yes. 2 times 8 will give you 16. 4 times 4 will also give you 16. So this is not a prime number. 17. Can anything times anything give you 17 aside from 1 times 17? No. Only 1 times 17 can give you 17. So this is a prime number. 18. Can anything times anything give you 18 aside from 1 times 18? Yes. 2 times 9 will give you 18. So this is not a prime number. 19. Can anything times anything give you 19 aside from 1 times 19? No. Only 1 times 19 can give you 19. So this is a prime number. 20. Can anything times anything give you 20 aside from 1 times 20? Yes. 2 times 10 can give you 20. 4 times 5 can give you 20. So this is not a prime number. So do you understand? Now don't forget, a prime number is a number that has 1 and itself as the only factor. Does that make sense? So another way to look at it is, if 1 times that thing is the only way you can get that number, then that number is a prime number. Do you understand? Now it means that the prime numbers between 1 and 20 are 2, 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 11, we have 13, we have 17, and then we have 19. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Do you understand?